This is the final video about my phone recordings from my vacation, and in this one I've chosen to simply put everything else I had in here, and talk a little bit about it, tell what it is, and what I think it could be used as. There's very little footage simply because I either didn't record some when I did the sound recordings, or the files got lost in the worse than bad internet connection that I had during my stay in Malta. Actually, there's only one piece of footage. Here it is. Let's head on to the kitchen here and see if we can do some cool stuff. I'm having a really hard time figuring out what the camera is on this phone. Here we have a fridge. Here we have a fridge. The fridge here. And it's actually making some really cool noise. So let's, in here in the freezer, let's try and just leave the phone in here for a while and just get some of these cool noises that it has in here. Right? See you in a bit when we're done in the freezer. The recording of the freezer and the fridge went really well. Actually, recording the whole kitchen there was a total blast, and it delivered a lot of useful material. This is the recording of the freezer. And here's the fridge. Which also made some really cool noise if the door was opened in a very specific way, causing a bottle to resonate in the door shelf. The kitchen also provided a nice dishwasher. Obviously, such a holiday center kitchen has a microwave in the kitchen, giving us some nice turbine-like turning on and off sounds. Outside of the house there was a small basement, which had a radiator running, which apparently was having some issues with its pressure, making it sound like this clicking beat here. In this basement, some handyman decided to start drilling on top of it, which gave me a basically free massive horn to use. Now back inside the house, the drilling sounded a little different. And last but not least, there was also a cupboard in the house that I could shake a little. All these sounds can be cut up into sounds that I think is great Lego material for a lot of things. Let's try and put it all together in the Unity level that I used in my previous Unity videos. Thanks for watching these phone recording videos. I really hope they inspired you to go out and record stuff. And regardless of your budget and your available equipment, it's possible to record stuff. You can get quality recordings out of what you have right at the very moment. See you in the next video. Cujo Sound and Bjørn Jacobsen signing out. Thank you for watching Cujo Sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Or support me at patreon.com/Cujo Sound, where you for as little as $1 a month can help me sustain this channel. Thank you very much.